Welcome to Libertyland. I'm Zach.
I'm Marty, and today we're doing a product review on a gun, your favorite.
Let's get cracking. As always, everybody, we're live firing today, so no alcohol. Be safe.
Pepis only.
Pepis only. Or Monster.
Sponsor us, please.
And now, a word from our sponsor.
Hey Katie, have you brought that up on the computers yet?
Martin, these computers are a piece of shit. Can we just get rid of them already?
Yeah, cool, Katie. Where are we gonna bring them? We got nowhere to go.
Why don't we just go to Afterlife Electronics Graveyard? It's right at 915 John Avenue in Superior.
Katie, where do you even get that shirt? Wait,
Oh, nice shirt, dude.
let's go check them out. You guys take laptops?
Yeah, we take it for free to get
Excellent.
Woo! Come on, my
No problem.
sir.
There you have it, Afterlife Electronics Graveyard at 915 John Avenue. Stay free.
Today's gun comes all the way from Yugoslavia, the Zastava M57. Brought into the Yugoslavian army in 1957, makes sense with the name, it fires one of the best cartridges known to man. 7.62 by 25 Tokarev. Beauty. Comes out of the chamber at 1700 FPS. They're known for one thing and one thing only: body armor testing, because it beats it every time. You should get one, just in case. You can no longer get the ammo very readily, especially due to the pandemic. It is not really on the shelves anymore, but if you ever see anything that says 7.62 Tokarev, buy it up immediately. Drop it in the comments and let me know where to contact you, please. Let's see how it shoots. So one of the nicest things about the Tokarev round is that it's very, very strong, coming out of a very short barrel. So I hope we can get it on camera. I'm not sure with how bright it is, but we should get a pretty decent fireball. Single action for the win. So one of the biggest issues running one of these nowadays is that the surplus ammo that they made for it is very, very old. I am lucky enough to have found that the Fiocchi brand of ammo, I haven't had any issues with it. I have ran some old Chinese surplus and Russian surplus out of this. I do get quite a few duds out of it. So we're gonna pound out 2 magazines with absolutely no FUDs around here to stop us this time. So let's see how fast we can actually do this. Alright, so it's not very often that we actually get to go digging this out of the berm. Lucky enough, we do have sand here. So I am going to try and find some of the ammo to show you guys what the actual round itself looks like.
I'll dig with you.
So right there is the 7.62 by 25 Tokarev. As you can see, it's just a little bit bigger than a 9mm, but still a little narrower to increase velocity and break through that body armor, like they were trying to do back in World War II. So, fun little round. I highly recommend, if anybody can actually find one of these guns, definitely go out and purchase one. It is a ton of fun to fire. Not to mention, it's just a really great little talking piece because they look really, really cool. So one of the biggest issues with having a gun this old is the fact that it does only hold a single stack 9 magazine. But when you have that much stopping power, 9's about all you need. No, I'm not a FUD, I just really like these rounds. That's all we got for you today, guys. See you next time. As always, stay free.